weird thing where I like just randomly I'll wake up certain mornings and I'm like, I just want to cook this. And this morning I woke up and I was like, I just want to cook vegan cinnamon rolls. I've never cooked them before. Let's make some cinnamon rolls together. Ready, set, go.
Hang on. What? It was so good with ice cream.
Let's do it. How does one open this? Don't do it.
How are they?
That good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're so good.
I'd say yes.
These are really good. I just think I maybe cooked it just a bit too long.
Okay.
I'm a fan. Huh?
Cup of tea.
Do you want a cup of tea?
No, for you guys.
Oh. Give me a cup of tea.
Should we? I think I just want water.
Yeah, maybe so. Okay.
I just got back from kayaking and just having a shower in a little spa. It is such a beautiful day. I don't know what it is about like August, September here. Like this winter has just felt like summer, honestly. I kind of really wanted to focus in this vlog on kind of like doing all the things that make me feel glowy, like having a lockdown glow up, but instead of focusing on, you know, like the external glow, focusing on the internal glow that always leads to an external glow, if I do say so myself. So I literally cut my hair last vlog, but I feel like my fringe has already gotten long, like it's fully covering my eyes. I have my scissors and we're gonna do another lockdown haircut. I feel like last time it went well, so I have confidence, but I need to make sure that the confidence doesn't mean I do too much. This seems so sketchy. think that's good for now. I can always adjust it later, but don't want to do too much. But I feel like that works, right? Since we're already sitting here, I've been putting off organizing this drawer and getting rid of stuff for so long. This is my like crafts creative drawer. It's stressing me out knowing that I'm sleeping on top of a mess, you know? Let's go. I used to be obsessed with taking Polaroids. So I have like literally Polaroids from the age of like 14. It's crazy. So this is my Polaroid box. I'm not getting rid of that. So my tactic has been to empty out the drawer. And then we're only gonna put back in what I wanna keep. This stresses me out. Like, it's just a pile of shit. Gonna keep this guy because although my Ina Picasso hasn't come out in a while, it's still in there somewhere. I have hope. Oh my god. I bought these. Was I in Thailand? I bought these postcards when I went to a zoo. When I was like 9 or something. Do I keep these? Like, I'm just such a nostalgic person. Like, I remember getting these, but at the same time, like, I look at them and I'm like, you know, it's a photo of a monkey and tigers. Like, I can look at that on my phone. Like, back in the day, this was so cool, but you know, like, I'm not gonna stick these up on my wall. I need to get rid of them. Bye. This box. Bye. It's so weird looking at old notebooks and seeing what you write. Like, I have this page here and it says Europe, and this is when I was trying to plan how to get to Europe. So I was saying look for babysitting jobs, photo editing. That's kind of funny, but like, I don't need that. That was cute. We had its moment. Right now we relived it. And we don't need to relive it again. Now we have me saying it on video. But this now is a perfectly fine notebook that we are gonna keep and utilize one day. What an artwork. I'm telling you guys. Picasso. Okay guys, I know this might not look super clean, but this whole thing is what I'm getting rid of. Nothing better than ticking off a task. I'm just soaking up the last rays of sun. I'm going to do some journaling. I came outside. I actually saw a snake here yesterday. It was like a green snake, so I think it's like one of the harmless ones. but I still don't really vibe snakes, so it took me a lot of courage to come sit out here, but it's just so beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to do some journaling now and hopefully not get attacked by a snake, because for some reason that is a fear I have. I just love journaling. It always makes me feel good and better and lighter. Like, I feel like I am a person that feels quite deeply, and to be able to like put into words my feelings just really helps. I was talking to my friend about this the other day, but I feel like I've been the best I've ever been, or like have been in a really long time at the moment. Like, I just feel really balanced in myself and content and happy, and I don't know, I think in the past when I'd feel really good, I don't think I would like actually take time to like notice that I felt really good, because I don't know, I was even listening to a podcast the other day, and you know, they were saying like, you know, with the negative emotions like pain and sadness and all that, you really feel it in your body. Like, you know, when you're gonna cry, you feel the thing in your throat, and when you're sad, you just feel heavy and like just things hurt. Like, whereas when you're happy, the sensations that you feel in your body are a lot less intense. You know, like when I'm happy, I think I feel quite light in my body, and I don't know, like I can't even describe how I feel in my body when I'm happy, which is I guess why sometimes I don't even notice when I'm happy, and I tend to just notice when I'm sad or struggling. So I'm really trying to like really notice and take in those moments where everything is like good in my life, and there's no like things holding me down too much. Like, obviously I have things on my mind, but like in my heart and in myself, I feel really good. And I think it's important to really like acknowledge. Oh. Hi Ginge. He's been loving lockdown. If you haven't noticed, Ginger, you're the king of lockdown. You're in like all the vlogs. I love that he's just sitting here as if he's gonna like start talking. Do you have something to say to the vlog, bro? No? Don't you dare knock the camera over. Don't you dare. I think also the reason I have been feeling so happy, especially like since lockdown started, is just I have been taking extra time to do all those things that like make me feel good and glowy. This cat is so fucking adorable. You're so cute sometimes, you know that? The sun is going down, so I'm going to say goodbye, but I love you guys. I'm so grateful for you guys. Bye. Also, I'm putting this video out tonight, and tomorrow I'm starting my detox for a week of no social media like I do every month. Follow me on Instagram if you want to be kept up to date with that, but definitely join me on the detox this month if you're feeling like it. Especially in lockdown, we can spend so much extra time on our phone and on social media, and it's really nice to be forced to take that break and just have this extra time to just do creative stuff. It's hard but good. Love you guys.